So, happy wedding everyone! Next, antiseptic or hand sanitizer for wash your hands. And don't forget to use the book for your documentation. That's all. So, happy watching the video. Bye bye.
Me on behalf of Pasien Putri. Yes, nurse. Today,
I feel unwell today, Mom. Like breakfast.
okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Nurse Rizalisa Atifa. I'm usually called Nurse Atifa. I am a student from UIA. Today I am staff on the team. If you can tell what is your name,
My name is Dwi Putri Syafani.
who do you usually like to be called?
Putri, and this is my mother. She is taking care of me here in the room.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, nurse. Okay, Putri, because you said that you are not feeling well, like you have a fever, I will check your temperature. The purpose of this action is to determine your body temperature. Examination will take approximately 15 minutes and will take place here. If during the procedure you have any complaint, please don't hesitate to tell me directly. Okay. Check up now. Are you ready?
Yes.
Is there anything you want to ask? Excuse me, I need to pull up your top a little bit to check your temperature with a thermometer. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Please squeeze it with your hand. Do you have anything to ask? How do you feel after?
I feel normal. I don't feel any different.
It's normal to not feel any different because we only check the temperature. And thank you for your cooperation. We will see the result now. Okay, Putri, your body temperature is currently 38 degrees Celsius. You have a fever. Now I will give you paracetamol to help reduce your temperature. Don't forget to drink the medicine.
Okay, thank you for your help.
You are welcome. If the fever keep going up, better you after taking the medicine. But you can call us the nurse directly anytime at the nurse desk in the front, and or you can just press the bell. Okay, thank you, nurse. Okay, then I'll excuse you first. I hope you get well soon.
watching our video.